Hi, it's Jandy Outry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. With this chicken dish, every slice is delicious because every slice has something delicious in it. And the garlic butter puts it over the top. Here's what you'll need. Fresh, skinless, boneless chicken breasts, thin sliced prosciutto, a cheese that you love, some fresh sage leaves, unsalted butter, and fresh garlic. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a skillet. When it starts to brown, add 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic and about a dozen sage leaves. Wash and pat dry the chicken breasts, then make 5 or 6 cuts 3/4 of the way through. Now take some prosciutto and a piece of cheese and tuck it into the slices. Then take those buttery sage leaves and tuck those in too. Now spoon that delicious garlic butter over the chicken, season just a little with salt and pepper, and add shredded cheese over the top. Bake for 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through, and when done, it's a chicken flavor bomb. Serve with a little tomato sauce and a nice salad. This prosciutto chicken could be a forever favorite. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.